So, the situation is, this is episode 2 of Find a Perfect Pair of Jeans. So, M&S was supposed to be unreal, so here we go. Let's see how M&S is going to play up. Things first, I got a few different styles and loads of different colours, shapes, whatever. And also I've seen that these ones, what are they called? M&S Mom. There's like a super soft pair, which I don't know, they're like magic jeans, I think, from M&S. So I got a couple of pairs of them. But let's just say I've got all different shapes, all different sizes, all in size 14, some in a 16, so let's go. Yes, Mom jeans. And these are in a size 14 short, because I am 5'2". So let's try these bad boys on. And the price, the price was £39.50. So these are number 1, Mom jeans, size 14, leg short. I like them. They're actually very soft, and this is how high they go. These are £39.50. You see, from all angles. Actually really nice. I'm into them. So one to a good start. Let's try the next ones on. These are the Sienna Magic Straight High Rise. So these were what I kept saying, the magic jeans. I think magic jeans are what M&S are all about. So let's try these bad boys on. Okay, these are pretty long, so I would maybe go for the short. But for a plain black jean, they're alright. This is what they look like from all angles. Pretty basic, to be honest. I like how high-waisted they go. And I feel like they are quite like compressive, which is quite nice. But this is the length on a regular. A bit too long. Ooh, cheerleading. Ooh. If you ever did cheerleading, you would get that reference. So, yeah, I would rate these a good 6 out of 10. They are a nice fit, don't get me wrong, but they're just black jeans, nothing special. Next, I did go for a cream trouser. These are the boyfriend jeans, size 14, regular length. I wish I got small now, but let's just see. They do look quite short. I'm a bit nervous about these because I don't know if I've got much stretch. But we're not going to let that let us down, ladies. Stretch as I thought. Oh. Right, they're up, but I am hanging over. Not really for me, these ones. I can't move, I won't be able to sit down. It is very tight around here. No, I don't think these are about 2 out of 10 for me. These ones, I can't lie, guys. These are £39.50 as well. Second last is these. I don't know what I was thinking when I picked these up. I'm thinking maybe like vintage. Don't know what this situation is. It's giving me mum. But who knows, these might be nice. These are Magic Slim Flare High Rise in regular, size 14. But saying that, I have seen some cool gals with these sort of jeans on before. So, oh, let's give this. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Oh my god, I can't actually. Oh. Oh, like they've got like an extra bit of stretch, like sculpt. Because for some reason, oh for fuck's sake, I can't get these on. Right. It's given cowgirl. It's given cowgirl. Hit your card now, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I feel like a Shire horse when you've got a big thigh. I feel a bit like a Shire horse when I have a flare. 90s, well, 2000s make them when I love these with a big belt, Shakira belt, but maybe not. The bottom of it, if you can see. But not least, I have literally got an event in 20 minutes, so I'm rushing through this. These are wide high rise. I seen these in the store and I did like them. They're like a cool gal jean. And I sort of wish that these will be nice because I do want like a dark denim. Because it looks nice with white t-shirts, but I'm just, with white jeans, they just don't normally have any stretch, and I was right. Oh. Right, these are not going to go up. So these ones are not actually going to go up, these ones. So, this is how we're going to end this chat. These will not go up. Like, as I haven't got stretch, I do have to size up. But I was rushing around in store. So, we are going to give these a 10 for aesthetics, 2 for fit. Number 1, I actually really like these jeans, is the mom jeans. The light mom jeans in short. Yep. These are short length, size 14. Really nice colour, really good length if you're a shorty. Yeah. Get these ones. They are code, I'll give you a code. Okay, maybe not. Our style numbers T579115. I have got Tesco coming, and I've also got a Primark one as well. And I've heard Matalan are meant to be amazing. So, if you have any more, like I said before, pop them down here and we will try them. And I'll try them in all different shapes, sizes, and see if it's for us. But hope you like this one. See you in the next one.